Ito ang first time na hindi kami magsasalubong ng bagong taon dito sa bahay. For tonight, pupunta kami sa anak ko kay Eric. So, doon kami sa house niya magsasalubong, magkakasama-sama para salubungin yung 2025. Magre-ready na.
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Eros ka
I love you. May mag-gold 3 times from it.
Ganda ng baby.
Tama dami pa yung
Say Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year, everyone. Oh, no! Sit! Everyone! Say
Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year! Ay, tuturot-tot.
Bawal sa akin, hihikain tayo.
Hindi yun no, hihikain eh.
Are you feeling good today?
Mamaya sa 12 a.m. mag-fireworks.
Yeah.
At tuturot-tot.
I don't think so because I don't know if you...
I'm excited.
You're excited?
I'm writing na.
Okay.
Oh, dito na lang ba yung David.